Basically, we were designing and manufacturing a front wing of the Formula student car.
So it took us about a year to be able to manufacture it.
Our whole goal is creating a suction underneath the car so it can corner faster. All cars use carbon fiber. It's a bit expensive, but that's why we chose glass fiber.
So glass fiber is theoretically more, it's heavier than carbon fiber. Can be compared with like a plane, where a plane flies. So we do the opposite in the Formula team. We want it to be more stricter to the ground and closer, so when it turns, it does not drift off. Essentially, you have foam. It takes the shape of the wing. We spread over it the glass fiber, and we put on it some type of an adhesive to consolidate the layer that we put of the glass fiber onto the foam for it to take its shape. Then we keep spraying on the adhesive, and finally we suction away for it to take the full shape and take all the curvatures of the foam itself.
It's a very interesting project. We're one of the only few people who actually worked on aerodynamics. It's the study of air moving around an object, in this case a car. But we study how the air interacts with the body, how different pressure zones are formed when we add airfoils, front wings, rear wings.
I'm proud of the end result. I never imagined that I would be able to fabricate and to manufacture an entire front wing for a Formula student car.
I wish to work in Formula 1 one day. One step in the right direction, trying to get there one day.